guys, I'm doing some gungo rice and peas today for my daughter dinner. She's sleeping. You know, she's a good girl. I will do anything for her. She's tired. So this is the gungo. It's very nice, colorful. You know, sometimes I just change up the situation. You know, I like to change up the situation, you know, that have everything. So I'm just gonna put the milk and then make everything just cook down very nicely before I can put in my rice. So this is my gungo peas pot. I just put a bit of butter in it. Thing is going on so great. So I put some garlic pepper. So I just put in my rice, as you can see. Just stir it, make sure that everything is okay. All the peas. Yeah. This is it. This is it. When you're in the kitchen, you just do your thing, yeah? Do your thing.
I am waiting for mommy to finish cook. I even not too long wake up. I had some rest. I'm not going to deny that. I knocked out, right mommy? I knocked out and mommy is already like almost finished cooking. I couldn't help it. I was really exhausted. I also deserve a need. No, but to be fair, like, because I had like kind of a split off day, isn't it? Was it a split off day, innit? And then of course I was out with the goddaughter. So yeah, I am so tired, and tomorrow is Monday again, just like that. So it's almost like I never left work. If you just again, I'm the taster. If you just like, where's the fork? Taste the coleslaw. It's taking long though for me to taste it.
But you say I like it creamy, yeah?
I do. I'm making a little bit of coleslaw, not a lot, because to be honest, we're not a true. If you hear the noise in the background, it's the washing machine, to be fair. Oh, I am so tired.
Looks good.